The idea behind the event was to bring local music to local people. We know that a lot of huge touring artists don't often have South West on their tour list. Giving real local people, young people, access to this live music is really important.
I think to the Plymouth community, this is one of the finest event and concert locations in the world.
Plymouth, are y'all ready to jump?
It's unique really for a festival. The people here just getting involved, singing, having a good time, dancing around, and yeah, it's been fun.
Oh, we got this right,
Best part of the job is the atmosphere, like for sure. Working around NTV, the crowd is amazing, and making the different drinks and keeping up the speed is really good fun.
For a band like us, this opportunity is something we wouldn't get to do without local support, and we wouldn't get to play to this many. Well, at the moment it's empty, but hopefully this many people on a stage that big.
Like this shit,